Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to show you right now, out of all the fruit trees I grow, which is above 70 different type of fruit trees from around the world. I'll put a link in the video up here, or here, wherever it will be. This tree is the one that gives me a problem of abundance. The growth, vigor, fruit production, flower production, everything. This is the one that gives me a good problem, but sometimes that problem is overbearing. I've already given 7 or 8 to 10 pound bags of this fruit to neighbors and friends and family. And that is the Saturn peach. So I finally cleared out this limb, because this limb was all the way lower than I could push, and you could see the production of that limb. They're all over the floor. Now the problem with, see, I just stepped on one. The problem is when you stand next to this peach tree, it's gonna smell like peach cobbler pie. It smells like peach pie right now because they're all ripening, all this fruit. Let's see if I could get it from another angle. Just everywhere. See all that? That's just one branch right there, going all the way up. I prune this so heavily so I can reduce my production. You see just in there? And I don't do a good job of it. I thinned probably 300 in the springtime of little fruit, and I still have plenty more. I'm assuming, there's a broken branch. I'm assuming that there was at least 500 fruit this year. This limb alone, this one right here that almost broke, had 100 on this tree. There's still a little bit left. They're not ripe yet, so I kept some of them. So, I mean, if you want a fruit tree to produce for you, there's 2 of them. One of them is the Santa Rosa plum. This is a Babcock peach. You can see all of them hanging, and just really hanging low here. I hope there's no branches that are going to break. Okay. So Santa Rosa plum, you can see. This is a 4-in-1, by the way, if you've never seen my channel. This is a Babcock peach, Fantasia nectarine, Santa Rosa plum, and Balehem apricot. Oh, there's one rotten. Yuck. Like I said, one is a Santa Rosa plum, heavy producer, vigorous. The other one is this behemoth, and here's from another angle. So like I said, I have over 70 fruit trees, front, side, and backyard. There's a new quiet air conditioner. I love it. All these trees, you see them all? They all kind of look leggy, right? I'm going to pan, and you're going to see the difference right now with a peach, how massive it is. Look at that. I can't even really see. I'm looking up in the sky to look at the screen. Just massive tree that gets pruned 6 times a year. This will be this 3rd pruning after I get all the fruit off. You can see all the difference. Look at this peach, the Babcock. See, it just, if you want a vigorous, nice tree, and sort of like a shade tree too, get a peach tree. But you're gonna have to deal with a lot of fruit. So the donut peach, Santa Rosa plum. If you live in an area you could grow those fruit trees, I'd highly recommend it. This is insane. This is insane, everyone. So I'll just show you if you're still around. Let's see. Let's say right here is 10 peaches. So right there. Now, there's another 10, another 10, another 10, probably 10 to 15. Just in my vision. What is that? I don't know, 30? Just right here. How many more does this big limb have? I haven't even walked around the corner. I don't even know what it looks like on that side of the tree yet. I haven't looked yet. Man, it smells good though. And you really know they're ripe if you wait till this point. If you're still here in the video, you're going to enjoy this tip. Sometimes people don't know when it's ripe, and you never really know, because sometimes if you squeeze them, they're hard, but they're really ready. When you get mushy on the tree, that's not a good thing with stone fruit. You need to get it off before it gets mushy, because you won't beat the birds and the bugs. They're going to beat you. They're watching more than you are. So, how you can tell they're ready, you see that the skin's still there from this fruit, how it peeled off? That's when you know it's ready. That skin is missing. You want to get it right before that though, but when you see that, it's ready. Now for commercial producers, they don't want that, because now this fruit's going to go bad. They want to get it when it's semi-green and ripened to you. But as a backyard grower, that's the perfect time. No more than this. One more day in this heat. We're 95 today. One more day in this heat, it's going to be mush. And then all of a sudden, it's going to get heavy, hang. The skin is going to separate from the flesh, and guess who's going to move in? Nice, juicy earwig. Just amazing. Just amazing. So this is a white peach. I understand that there's a yellow peach. That's a donut or a flat peach. The reason why they call it donut, it's not ready yet, but you could pop out the seed in the middle, it'll turn into a donut looking fruit. But back to the white peach, it's not as flavorful as yellow, but it's extremely sweet. You don't even have to really put you see how it peeled off the skin right there? That's perfect. You don't have to add sugar too much in the jam. I don't know why everybody doesn't grow their own food. Just something. And that's what I'm trying to show here. Of the 70 plus fruit trees I have, if you watch the video or if you watch it after this one, the one I linked up, so you can see how much production I can get from my little parcel of land I have. It's all about pruning. Okay? Like I said, when I'm done with the pruning of this tree, the tree is going to get cut right here, right at the top of my head. Notice last year? It's right there, the top of my head. Oh, darn it. Right there, you see the cut? Right to the top of my head. Everything's going to get sheared down. But this year, because of this, I might go a little bit lower. So there's good things with that too. Everything's in arm's reach. See, even the highest peach over there, I can still reach it. Everything can be reached. You don't have to get a ladder. You don't want a ladder. You can fall easy. And this smells amazing right now. I wish this wasn't a candle. So this is also why I prune to an open center. It's a little side tip. This bag has at least 8 pounds of peaches from this limb. And I prune to an open center, one, to get that nice chimney, air movement, sunlight inside, less fungus problems and disease and so forth. But also, there's a branch. There's a branch. Can't really reach it because it's too heavy. Here's a branch. There's a branch behind me. See all the fruit? There's a branch. I could pick almost all of my fruit from one spot, right in the center. And then if I need to reach, I have my own like limbs that I can lean onto. So please, 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 thin the center of your trees. And that rhymed. All right, everybody. Happy gardening.